Hi. This desktop taskbar will look like this. Isn't it cooler than earlier? Simply follow me to know how to do it. Go to Start. Then Microsoft Store. Type translucent TB. Simply go to this one. There will be download. Click and get it. I have already downloaded it. Now, this icon is in here. Go to Desktop. Then Clear. You can see the taskbar is not like earlier and has become transparent. If I change my wallpapers, it will look like this. But still there is a border on the top of the taskbar. Simply remove it. The border is gone too. But anytime you need to switch it off, come here and exit. So, this is how you can simply make your taskbar opaque or transparent. If you liked it, then please let us know on the comment box. Goodbye.